Guys, good morning, happy new week. On this DOGEMINER platform I posted yesterday, as you can see, I have 74 Doge. Let me come and make withdrawals, and let's see how swift the payment gateway is. I'll be making withdrawal of 74 Doge, so all you need to do is just submit. Okay, executed transaction. So let's wait for payment, guys, and see how swift the payment gateway is. So you can see my dashboard. My dashboard is back to zero. So let's wait for the payments. Okay, you can see withdrawals. I made one withdrawals, 74 Doge. So I have like 30 referrals. So let's wait for payment, guys. I've been paid. Okay, you can see I've been paid. I used my Binance wallet. Let's go to Binance. Okay, guys, you can see it's Doge withdrawal. You can see 74 Doge. See it, 74 Doge confirming. So guys, this thrown, and I withdrew how much? 74. So there's no withdrawal charges. There's no withdrawal charge. This is the customer care. If you have any issues, you can chat the customer care. You can say, I even ask how long does withdrawal take. She's still typing, and I've been paid. So guys, this platform, I believe it's going to do wonders, same way we milked DSP. Enjoy it while it lasts. Thank you, guys.